So you're all set to jump into a game through Ubisoft Connect. Maybe it's Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, Rainbow Six Siege, whatever you're in the mood for. And instead of launching or downloading like it's supposed to, you get slapped with this little black window that just says Error Code 17013 and gives you absolutely no useful explanation of what actually went wrong. Super frustrating, especially when everything was working fine last time you opened the launcher. The good news is this is actually one of the more common Ubisoft Connect errors out there, which means it's also one of the more well-understood ones. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why it happens and every single fix worth trying in the order that's most likely to solve it fastest. So let's jump straight in. Before we start clicking through settings, it helps to actually understand what this error means, because it'll save you time figuring out which fix applies to you. Error 17013 shows up when Ubisoft Connect runs into a roadblock trying to either install a game, download an update, or connect to Ubisoft servers to verify your account. It's not one single specific problem, it's more like a general warning light that something in the background broke the process, and that something could be a permissions issue, a storage issue, a blocked connection, corrupted local files, or in rarer cases, an issue on Ubisoft's end entirely. So we're going to work through the most common causes one at a time, starting with the fixes that solve this for the majority of users. The very first thing to check, and honestly the fix that resolves this for a huge chunk of users, is whether Ubisoft Connect actually has administrator permissions on your computer. Without full admin rights, the launcher can get blocked from writing files into certain protected folders, which is exactly the kind of thing that triggers this error during an install or update. To fix this, close Ubisoft Connect completely first, then right-click on the Ubisoft Connect icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and select Run as Administrator. If Windows pops up a user account control prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Once it opens back up, try starting your download or launching your game again and see if that alone clears the error. If you want this to apply automatically every time without doing it manually, you can right-click the icon, go to Properties, click the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then hit Apply and OK. If running as admin didn't fix it, the next thing on the list is checking your available storage space, because a lot of people don't realize just how much room modern Ubisoft games actually need. And if your drive is nearly full, the installer can fail partway through and throw this exact error. Open File Explorer, click on This PC, and look at the drive where Ubisoft Connect and your games are installed. If that storage bar is looking dangerously full, you'll want to clear out some space, whether that's deleting old files you don't need, uninstalling games you're not playing anymore, or moving large files like videos onto an external drive. As a general rule of thumb, try to keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free beyond what the specific game itself requires, just to give the installer some breathing room. Assuming storage isn't the problem either, it's time to look at your cache, because Ubisoft Connect stores a bunch of temporary configuration and login data locally, and when that cache gets corrupted, it can cause all sorts of weird behavior, including this error popping up during downloads or logins. To clear it, first fully close Ubisoft Connect, including checking your system tray in the bottom right of your screen to make sure it's not still quietly running in the background. Then open File Explorer and navigate to where Ubisoft Connect stores its data. This is usually under your user folder in App Data, specifically inside a folder related to Ubisoft Game Launcher. Once you're there, look for a folder simply called Cache, right-click it, and delete it. Don't worry, this won't touch your installed games or your save files. It just wipes out temporary data that Ubisoft Connect will automatically rebuild the next time it opens. Relaunch the app, ideally as administrator again, log back in, and try your download or launch once more. Now, if you're still hitting the wall at this point, it's worth checking whether your firewall or antivirus software is the one actually causing the problem. Sometimes security software gets a little too aggressive and blocks the exact connection Ubisoft Connect needs to reach its servers, which is exactly what triggers this error since the app essentially can't talk to Ubisoft properly. Head into your Windows firewall settings, search for Allow an app through firewall in your Start menu, and make sure Ubisoft Connect is listed and has both private and public network access checked. If you're running third-party antivirus software as well, it's worth briefly checking its settings for a similar allow list, or temporarily disabling it just to test whether that's what's blocking things. If disabling it clears the error immediately, you'll know for sure that's your culprit, and you can go back in and add a proper exception for Ubisoft Connect instead of leaving your protection off long term. If none of those steps have worked yet, the next move is making sure Ubisoft Connect itself is fully updated, since running an outdated version of the launcher can cause it to fail syncing properly with Ubisoft's current servers. Open the app, and if there's an update available, it'll usually prompt you automatically. But if you want to be thorough, you can also just grab the latest installer straight from Ubisoft's official website and run it over your existing installation. And if you've made it through every single one of those steps and you're still seeing error 17013, the last resort is a full reinstall of Ubisoft Connect. The good news here is you don't need to worry about losing your actual games. When you reinstall, you'll be given the option to keep your existing game files in place, so the launcher itself gets refreshed while your installed games and their save data stay right where they are. Uninstall Ubisoft Connect through your Windows settings under Apps. Then head back to Ubisoft's website, download a fresh copy, and install it again, making sure to point it to the same folder your games are already sitting in if it asks. One last thing worth checking, especially if literally nothing else has worked, is whether the problem is actually on Ubisoft end rather than yours. Server outages do happen occasionally, and when they do, no amount of troubleshooting on your end is going to fix it. You can check Ubisoft's official support status page or search their social media accounts to see if other players are reporting the same issue at the same time. And if there is a known outage, all you can really do is wait it out. So to quickly recap the order to try things in, start with running Ubisoft Connect as an administrator, then check your free disk space, then clear out that cache folder, then check your firewall and antivirus settings, then make sure the launcher itself is updated, and if all else fails, go for a clean reinstall while keeping your game files intact. Most people find their fix somewhere in that first half of the list, so don't get discouraged if the first couple of steps don't do it for you. If this video helped get you back into your game, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting videos like this one, and drop a comment below letting me know which step actually fixed it for you. It genuinely helps other people scrolling through the comments looking for the same answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.